In this video, I'll be discussing the interactions among living things. This week, in Science 4 Quarter 2, Week 6, the learners demonstrate understanding the beneficial and harmful interactions occur among living things and their environment as they obtain their needs. The learner should be able to construct a prototype model of organism that has body parts which can survive in a given environment. And the learning competency describes some types of beneficial and harmful interactions among living things. In our previous lesson, we have discussed the life cycle of egg-laying animals and human. Egg-laying animals like birds, amphibians, or reptiles have different life cycle or stages of development depending on their environment. Amphibians lay their egg in water, and reptiles lay their egg in land. Humans undergo also another life cycle, which is composed of 5 stages of development. These are birth, infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Look at the picture of these organisms. Animals interact with plants. Plants interact also to animals. They are living things that interact to another living things and also to the non-living things in the environment. The interactions between them enable them to live in units called ecosystem. Ecosystem consists of all living things and non-living things in a given area that interacts with one another. Living things are called species or organism. They are also called biotic components. This includes plants, animals, human, and microorganisms. While non-living things are called abiotic components, like sunlight, climate, soil, water, air, space, nutrients, temperature, and energy. The interactions or relationships are studied in a branch of science called ecology. This is the Pampanga River. It is a kind of ecosystem where different interactions between freshwater animals and water plant exist. In the ecosystem, there are interactions which are beneficial and harmful. In the next activity, you will identify the organisms benefited in the relationship and the other organisms which are harmed. Look at the picture of the remora and the shark. What do you think is the kind of relationship exists between the remora and the shark? Remora attached itself to the body of the shark for food and protection from other marine animals. But the shark did not benefit from the relationship. It is not also harmed in their interaction. This is also the same with this kind of plant attached to the manga tree. The plant benefited from the manga tree, but the tree did not harm or benefit. This kind of relationship where one organism is benefiting but the other one is not benefiting nor harmed is called commensalism.